Tutorial on this face mask effect.
So the first step is to prepare the material to be edited. After that, take a screenshot of the part whose face you want to change. Then crop and save it. The second step is to go to Edit Photo. Then enter the photo and select AI Edit. Then select the Seedream 5.0 Pro model and add the character you want to use. If you have pasted the prompt, I will give it in the comments column. Then click Generate and wait for the process to complete. After the process is complete and you have saved the photo, create a new project, then add the photo in the Overlay section. Then go to Mimic Motion, select Model Move 2.0. Then add the original video. Then click Generate and wait for the process to complete. If the process is complete, cut the overlay according to the specified bit points. Then delete the unused overlays. The next step is to go to Splice and give 3 keyframes at the beginning, middle, and end. Then change the size of the initial keyframe. Splice to 0 and the end is also the same. Change it to 0, do the same for the other overlays. If everything has been done correctly, and let's see the results. Thank you for watching this video.